This video is brought to you by Squarespace. From websites and online stores to marketing tools and analytics, Squarespace is the all-in-one platform to build a beautiful online presence and run your business. Welcome back, I'm Chris, and it looks like I've accumulated quite a few packages since the last time I saw you guys. So let's find out.
What's in the box? Oh, what's in the box?
We have some more perishable boxes, so we're gonna open those first so they don't go bad. It looks like they wrote this by hand. It says, please open and put contents in the freezer. So we're about to do that. Ooh, look how good that looks. Avocado ice cream? Interesting. Frozen non-dairy dessert, vegan, gluten-free, soy-free. We have vanilla bean, cherry amaretto, Java chip, deep dark chocolate. Can already tell this is gonna be a good friend of mine. Salted caramel, simply lemon, and mint chocolate chip. Avocado. Interesting. Mint chocolate chip. Thanks, Avocado. We gotta put these away in the freezer before they melt. Is what it says on the package. So I can already tell this is gonna be good. Look at that. Don't want them to all fall, but we got Bitchin Sauce. Don't tell anybody I said that. Look how many there are in there. We have cilantro chili. It's not a hummus. It's its own little thing. It's hard to describe. It's really good though. Almond, soy, water, grapeseed oil, lemon juice, nutritional yeast, Bragg's liquid aminos. It's just got a great taste to it, and it's a great dip. It goes good with on sandwiches. It goes good with pita chips. We have the Bombay sauce, chipotle, more chipotle, original. I like the packaging too. We have a green onion. Ooh, heat. I don't know if I can do that one. Pesto. This one is really good too. I mean, they're all good. Roasted green chili and pepita. I don't think I've had that one, but I have it now. I'm gonna have to throw a party with avocado ice cream and Bitchin Sauce. Let's see, have we gone through all of them? Oh, here's a new one. Oh, I didn't see this one either. This buffalo, as you can see, that one doesn't say Bitchin. This one says buffalo. This dip is nuts. And spinach artichoke. I haven't had that one either. So there's a couple new ones I haven't seen before. We'll just put these over here to the side. Thank you to the wonderful folks over in Carlsbad, California for the Bitchin Sauce. It will go to good use. Here's another one. And it says this side up, like that. But I think they delivered it like this. Hopefully, it's all in one piece. Refrigerate upon arrival. And this is from Follow Your Heart. You know, the guys that make Veganase. I know it's pronounced Veganase, but to me, it'll always be Veganase. I think it's the flux capacitor, guys. I followed my heart and it led me to this vegan kitchen. I'll let you guys see it first. Whatever it is, you saw it first. Ah, it's the yogurt. The first time, it didn't say refrigerate. And I opened it like 2 weeks after I got it, because I was waiting for more packages to come, and I had yogurt that wasn't cold. But Follow Your Heart has, in my opinion, it's the best vegan yogurt. I did a taste test on vegan yogurt with Cesar. Follow Your Heart turned out to be our favorite. But they have blueberry, key lime. We're gonna have to refrigerate this because we don't want it to go bad. We have plain, pina colada, cherry and vanilla bean, strawberry and raspberry, strawberry rhubarb, and peach. This is a coconut milk base, and it's really good. And they also gave me Micheles granola. This stuff is really good as well. And the Follow Your Heart vegan pin. It would be a good idea to put these in the refrigerator. You know what else is a good idea? Squarespace. They offer modern templates which are created by some of the best designers around. They'll allow your website to look great on any browser, including mobile devices. And if you're looking to start a YouTube channel, remember, most videos these days are watched from mobile devices. So what do you do if you already have a domain somewhere else? you can bring it right over to Squarespace, or you can buy a new one from Squarespace. It even comes with a built-in image editor. So you can take your photos, crop them, resize them, rotate them, darken them, brighten them, color correct them, make them beautiful. You can even collect email addresses from your subscribers so you can send them relevant updates and information about your website so they don't miss any of your new content. So head on over to squarespace.com for your free trial. And when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/VeganZombie and save 10% on your first purchase of a domain or a website. Oh yeah, some of that Good Catch. I was just thinking about this yesterday. Good Catch. Seafood without sacrifice. This is vegan tuna. And I don't think I've had the Mediterranean unless I had it at one of the expos. They served it up. But this is the Mediterranean. I think this is the one that I had in the video taste test with my parents. This is the oil and herbs, and then naked in water. So 3 flavors of the vegan tuna by my friends over at Good Catch, Derek and Chad Sarno. You can see them right there on the back of the package. Thank you to the wonderful folks over at Good Catch. Moving on. Yeah, that's how I was delivered. Let's hope. Fragile Fresh Jacks. We have Fresh Jack spices. And there's the team right there. Look at that packaging. Fresh flavor delivered. We have Fresh Jack's Tofu Scramble. Makes tofu taste like eggs. Vegan, gluten-free. You can follow them on social media at Fresh Jack's. I think it's their sample pack, right? Look at that. Nicely packaged, I must say. It's right from Jacksonville, Florida. It's on the other coast from where I used to live when I lived in Florida. All right, we have Grill Master, Sriracha, Rosy Cheeks, Thai Spice, and Maple Cinnamon. They all sound good. Handcrafted Thai Spice. So it's in a nice glass container. It would be great for seasoning up your food in the kitchen or even on a barbecue. Maple Cinnamon Grill Master. So that one right there. Summertime. Right there, we're talking about going out and grilling, some nice vegan stuff, and I will, as always, link everything below so you guys can check it out. These are handcrafted in the USA, gluten-free, MSG-free, GMO-free, no fillers, no radiation, no chemicals, no acids, no anti-caking agents. Thanks guys, on to the next package. We're not done yet. Okay, Micheles granola, vegan, made from scratch. Granola original, made with whole grain oats, wheat and dairy free. It's vegan. We have the vegan certification, non-GMO and everything right there on the back for you guys to see. The next one is ginger hemp. Ginger hemp. And the last one is lemon pistachio. Thank you, Micheles. I will be drowning these in some Oli. Vegan Club. All right, let's pop this open. Vegan Club. There's the Vegan Club shirt. They have so many different ones, I didn't know which one to choose. Vegan Club Chewbacca. I mean, we can only infer that he's vegan, right? He wouldn't eat the porgs, and he's just a gentle giant to all his friends. So, Vegan Club. There's so many awesome shirts that they have for Vegan Club, so definitely check these guys out and pick up your Vegan Club shirt. I will be wearing this soon. Thank you, Vegan Club. And we're finally on to our last package. I gotta say, these are packaged up and I can smell them. They smell really good. Vatum Teas. I think I'm saying that right, but I don't know. Packaging is nice. Smells good. Oh, it's like a little magnet. It's like those the knives that I have. Wow. Now I can really smell it. Nice container. This is loose leaf chai tea. Wow, it smells really rich. There it is. So it tells the date that it was harvested and packed. Oh, sweet cinnamon, ginger chai, and Makani Oolong. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. Alright, this is for the first one who gets it. I'm giving you guys the coupon code. If you guys want that, there it is. Freeze that. The first one to use it gets it. I don't know if that's good for one person or all of you. But there you go, there it is. These are fresh teas picked and harvested right from India. 1% goes to education. Teach me. And it tells you how to prepare the perfect cup of tea right there on this little chart. Let's open the other one. These ones you can see right through. Earl Grey, masala chai. We have saffron masala chai. And then the last but not least, we got sweet Himalayan detox green tea. Oh, I like that one. There you have it. Bottom Teas. Thank you, Bottom. Hope I'm saying your name right. And that concludes our episode of What's in the Box. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give me that thumbs up just right down here. If you guys have something you want to send me, make sure it's vegan, of course. And the address is in the description below. All of the products I opened today, the descriptions will be below if you guys are interested. If not, that's okay too. Don't forget to subscribe, survive, watch out for zombies, and I'll see you guys next time.